Hi, I'm Gail with Shake and Grow. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Spathiphyllum, also called the peace lily. These are some of the most popular plants, whether they are for your home or office. They're great plants. These plants like pots that have drainage in them, so be sure to have some holes in the plants. They like to be watered frequently, but if you overwater them, they're going to be drooping. So if you see a droopy plant, you know that's a sign of overwater. Just back off with your water. They are a tropical plant, so they like humidity. You can go ahead and mist them. When you're watering them and you're going to fertilize, you only need to fertilize these plants once a month. You can use your granular Shake and Grow or your liquid Shake and Grow in your watering can, whichever you prefer. Like I said, you only need to do this once a month. If you don't have a lot of humidity in your house, then you can just go ahead and put them in your bathroom or give them a mist. These are natural air cleaner purifiers according to NASA, which is always nice for your home. And they like natural light, not direct light. You don't want to put them on your windowsill. Just move them away. If they're on a table, they like the morning sun rather than the afternoon. It can sunburn them just like it can sunburn us. You can visit our website, www.shakeandgrow.com, for more plant tips. Thanks a lot. Bye.